Hello.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Alinda Nueva Mendez. I'm 45 years old. I'm widow and I have 2 kids, 3 sisters, and 4 brothers. My educational attainment is vocational, and my hobbies is singing, cooking, dancing, cleaning, and massaging. And I have working in 2 different countries, Kuwait and Taiwan. First one country is Kuwait. I serve 1 couple, and 4 kids ages is 3 months, 3 years old, 7 years old, and 9 years old. My household duties is cleaning, washing, cooking, ironing, washing the cars, and caring the babies, like giving food on time, think about every day, and she's diaper, and I sing a song before she sleep. And in Taiwan, I serve 1 old elder and 3 adults. My duties is cleaning, cooking, washing, marketing, caring 2 dogs, and caring elderly, like assist her going to bed, and assist her going to bathroom, and bathing, and giving food, and giving medicine, and according the doctor description. And every day, morning and afternoon, we will going to park. And to my future employer, please give me a chance to be a helper in your family, because I'm a good person, trustworthy, obedient, honest, and I will promise I will do my job and responsibility as well. I will follow your instruction, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Ma'am and Sir, thank you.
Thank you.